Good morning.
Good morning, Rahma. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Hello, grade 1.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Hi, Miss Nora. Hi, Miss Nora.
I missed you.
I miss you. Nora.
Me too.
Hi, Yusuf. Hi, Adam. Nujain.
Hi, Miss
Mariam.
Nora.
Rahma.
Hear me? Nora.
Yes, I hear you. Farida, Abdurrahman. Who's else?
Can you hear me,
Habiba. Yes, I hear you, حبيبتي. كل سنة وانتم طيبين.
وحضرتك طيبة.
صايمين ولا لأ؟
رمضان كريم.
رمضان كريم حبيبتي.
رمضان كريم.
صايمين؟
أنا
برافو.
صايم.
Excellent. Yes. لازم
أنا
نخلص
صايم.
أصلا من أول يوم رمضان لغاية دلوقتي.
برافو عليك.
كمان.
Excellent, guys. طيب, let's start. We will revise some of the addition and subtraction questions. Okay. Yeah, make a quick revise on the last lesson of the addition and subtraction. Okay. A minute. I'm gonna start with order by how can I see you? Okay, the first here, Farida Al-Ay. Farida, the first one, you want to add 64 plus 10. 4 plus 0?
It is 0.
0. No.
4.
4. Yes, concentrate. Okay, no problem. And 6 plus 1?
أنا. مش أنا.
You want Farida only to answer, okay?
Total numbers.
Where's Farida?
74.
74. Excellent, Farida. Thank you. 6 plus 1, it will be 7, so it will be 74. Who's after Farida? Abdurrahman. 43 plus 44. 3 plus 4, Abdurrahman. We start from the ones. Don't forget this. Abdurrahman, are you hearing me?
Yeah.
3 plus 4?
7.
7. Excellent. And 4 plus 4?
8.
Excellent, Abdurrahman. Bravo, thank you. Here's Rahma. 8 plus 1, Rahma?
8 plus 1.
Ones.
9.
9. Yes. And 2 plus 5?
7.
7. Excellent. 79. Very good, Rahma. Thank you. And here, Mariam. Number 4, Mariam. 52 plus 32. The ones?
4.
4. Excellent. 2 plus 2 equals 4. And the tens?
8.
8. Excellent. This will be 84. Excellent, Mariam. Here's Adam. Number 5, Adam. 80 plus 19.
0 plus 9 equal 9.
Excellent. Equals 9. Very good.
Plus 9 equal 9.
This one equals 9.
9.
99.
8 plus 1 equal 9.
Bravo, Adam. Very good. And here the last one in the plus. Who can answer this? Yusuf.
6 plus 2. 6
No,
plus 2
Yusuf,
equals
wait. We start from the ones.
ones.
Yes, we start from
2
ones.
plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It equals 9. 2
2
plus 7 equals 9.
equals 9. Excellent. And 6 plus 2?
6 plus 2 equals 8.
8. Very good. So it will be 89. Thank you, Yusuf.
هو شغال يعني معاهم؟ طب قولي له يشغل الكاميرا عشان مش شغالة، يعمل من تحت ستارت فيديو، قولي له كده. ماشي، باي باي.
Okay. Let's move to the subtraction questions. Huh? Who does not answer? Habiba. We want to minus 65 minus 31. Huh? We start from A, Habiba.
5 and 1.
5 minus 1. We start from ones. It will be
5. 5 minus 1 will be 4.
excellent. And 6 minus 3 will be
3.
3. Yes, it will be the answer 34. Thank you, Habiba. Who does not answer 2? Whose name is Sarah? Saad? You can open the camera, guys. I can't see you. Because some of you entered with his father or mother name, but I don't know who is it. Sarah? Saad. Who's entered with this name? Okay, until طيب, let's start again, Adam. 59 minus 26. Let's start with the who's minus who?
9 minus 6
Yes.
equals 3.
3 and 5 minus 2.
5 minus 2, 3.
3, very good,
Equals
Adam. Yes, Yusuf. Yusuf again. Okay, Yusuf. Where is Yusuf?
Me, here. I am here.
Hi, Yusuf. This one, 59 minus 19. Huh?
59 minus 19. 59.
We start from ones, as we said. Okay.
Okay. 59 minus 19. 1 minute. 59 minus 19 equals 59 minus
Can you see it or not? This one.
Yeah, I can see it.
Huh? 9 minus 9.
59 minus 19. 9 minus 9 equals 0.
Yes, excellent. Equals 0. And 5 minus 1?
Oh, I know now. 40.
Yes, it will be 40. Excellent. Who's again? Farida Lu'ay. Huh? 50 minus 10. 0 in the ones.
0 minus 0 equals 0.
Excellent. And 5 minus 1?
5 minus it's 4.
Equals what, Farida?
5 minus 1 equals 4. It's 4.
Equals
It's
4.
40.
It's 40. Excellent. Here's who's else? Okay, Mariam. 8 minus 2, Mariam.
8 minus 2. 6.
6, yes. And 6 minus 1?
5.
Equals 5, yes. Excellent, very good, Mariam. Here's Tia. I saw Tia here. Hi, Tia.
Hi.
Good morning. You still sleeping?
5 minus 0.
Okay, we want minus Tia. 9 minus 9 here, it will be?
9.
No, concentrate.
0.
It will be 0. 9 minus 9, it will be 0. And 6 minus 1?
5.
Excellent. Thank you, Tia. It will be 50. Very good. And Rahma. 5 minus 0, Rahma?
5 minus 0 equal 5.
Excellent. And 7 minus 2?
5.
5. So the result is
55.
55. Very good. Habiba? 9 minus 3?
It will be 6.
6. Very good. And 8 minus 2?
It will be 6 also.
It will be 6 also. So the result is 66. Thank you, Habiba. Guys, we're gonna start a new lesson. Okay.
New lesson.
Anyone has any idea about the fractions? The half.
Yes, this is the half.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Do you know what is the half?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay,
I know.
I'm gonna take by turn, but
I
wait.
know. I know.
Okay, guys, wait
And
a
I know
minute.
too the quarter.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. I'm gonna take one by one to tell me what has information about this half. Adam, you can talk. Okay, no problem. Yusuf, Adam, no problem. We're gonna take Yusuf first, then you.
Okay.
What do you know about the half?
The half, the half of the shape.
That, yes, the half of the shape. That means if I have a shape and I want to cut this shape and make half, how many parts, Yusuf, I should cut it to?
It's just 2.
Excellent.
One you take it and one.
And other one take the
So
other.
easy.
Excellent, Yusuf. Very good. Yusuf said that if we have a figure or something, I want to make it to make a half from it. So I should divide it into how many parts? That should be 2 parts. Let's see. If you have a pizza and you want to eat it with one of your friends or your sister or your brother, so you are 2 now wants to eat this pizza. So we cut the pizza into 2 parts, and each part of this part or this part is called half. It's called what? Half. So this is a half, and the other here is also called a half. So the whole one has how many halves, Adam?
2.
Thank you, Yusuf. Excellent. But there is a problem with Adam here. Okay. Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman, here I have a whole pizza. That means a whole one. Here, when I cut the pizza from the middle, and I have 2 parts, each part is called Abdurrahman, do you hear me?
Yeah.
Each part is called
half.
Yes, half. Again. So this part is called half, and this is also called half. Okay.
Half.
So when I want to any part with you and anything with you want to make a half from it, you should divide it into two parts. So this is called a half and half. If you have here the whole one, the whole pizza has how many halves? Two halves. So the whole pizza, when I divide it into two parts, each part is called a half. So the pizza has how many halves, Adam?
The pizza has 2 halves.
Excellent. Mariam, again, the pizza has how many halves? We're gonna take the quarter. Don't rush.
Okay.
2 halves.
Two halves. Excellent. The whole one has two halves.
Yeah.
Let's see the next. Whole one equals two equal parts, and each part is called a half. So how can I write a half in a mathematical way? How can I write it in a mathematical way? So the half, here the L is silent, guys. Don't say it half. The L silent. I say it half without sounding the L. So it's called half. I want to write it with a mathematical way or in numbers. So I take one part from two. Yes, I divided the whole pizza into two parts and I take one to eat. Okay, that means I take one part from two. So I can say it 1/2, or I can say it 1/2. 1/2 or 1/2. Here is the pizza, and you take a half to eat. So it will be 1/2 or 1/2. Who can say it?
Okay, that makes sense.
Me.
Huh? Who does not
Miss.
answer? Tia, can you say how I read this fraction?
Yes.
Huh?
If you take the whole thing, it's will be
One.
1. If
You read it.
and you cut it, it's gonna be 2.
So when I want to read it, or I can say half, or I can say 1/2.
2.
1/2. Again, 1/2.
1/2.
Excellent, Tia. Farida Al-Ay. Do you remember the other way to say the half? One out of two. He said 1/2. 1/2 or 1/2. Two ways to read the half. 1/2 or 1/2, or I can say it half. Why I say 1/2? Because I take one part out of the two parts. Understand?
Yes.
Again, Rahma, how can I read this?
Miss, you can open your camera.
1/2, 2/1.
No, I cannot say 2/1. I am taking 1 from 2. Just 1/2 or 1/1. Replace them. ما ينفعش نقولها العكس. Okay? Guys, we cannot say 2/1. No, I say 1/2 only, or 1/2. Amen? Okay. Let's move to next one. Here, if you have a birthday cake and I want to, it's a whole one, it's considered a whole one. Here I cut the cake or divide the cake into two equal parts, and each part will be half, and here will be half. Here he wants you to color a half of that shape. What should I color, guys? How many parts should I color?
1.
One part. Excellent. So here he colored a one part from the two with any color, blue, red, yellow, whatever whatever you want. But if he asked me to color 1/2 from that shape and you have 2 parts, so you should color 1 only. Here I should color how many parts?
1.
1. Excellent. And here color 1/2 of each shape. So here I should color 1 and here I should color another 1. Okay, color half of each shape. So the same as we know. Color half, we color 1 from 2, 1 out of 2. Understand how can I color the half? If you have 2 parts, you should color or take 1 part from the 2. Again, so the half is when you cut the shape or the figure into 2 equal parts. Guys, there is a very important note, حاجة مهمة قوي. The 2 parts should be equal, the same. ما ينفعش أقول half, I cannot say half وهما الاتنين 2 parts مش قد بعض. لازم يكون ال 2 parts بالظبط equal. يعني البارت ده قد البارت ده بالظبط. Exactly. عشان كده I said half. طب لو 2 parts مختلفين، واحد كبير وواحد صغير، it's not called half. Okay? The condition that I should say it's maybe a part but not called half. When I want to say half, that means the 2 parts should be the same, exactly the same, equal in each thing. Okay? So let's move to the quarter. Guys, the right spelling for this is quarter, not quarter. It looks like it's written or say quarter, but the right spelling for it, quarter. You can say it, quarter. Huh? Yusuf. Say it, Yusuf, because I heard you at the first saying quarter, but it's called quarter.
Quarter.
Quarter, excellent. Huh? It's called quarter. Anyone has any idea about the quarter?
No,
What do you think
I
when I
know.
want to take a quarter? How many parts should I divide the figure into? What do you think? Anyone has any idea can raise your hand. How?
فتح المويه.
Quarter. It's called quarter.
Quarter, yes, Adam, excellent. Quarter. Okay, I'm gonna mute and take the only one who raised his hand, okay? You can raise a hand by choosing the hand. Do you know how to do this? Okay, Adam only. Okay, I'm gonna let Adam and Farida Luay raises his hand. طيب, Farida, do you know anything about the quarter? How can I divide or how many parts should I divide the figure into?
Yes. It's one shape but divided in 4 parts.
Excellent. Yes, continue.
And maybe when he asked us to color 1 part of each shape, we can color 1 of the 4.
Excellent,
Not
Farida.
like the hands.
Very, very, very good. Farida said that, guys, now that the quarter should have, I have a figure and divide it into 4 parts, and when he wants me to shade the quarter or color it, I should color 1 part from the 4. Let's see is Farida's correct or not. Here is a pizza, and I cut the pizza into 2 equal parts. These 2 parts were called half and half, as we said in the last fraction, half and half. And then, as we said, half and half. What should I do here to make a quarter? We divided each half into 2 parts. Now the pizza are cut into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And each small part's called quarter or fourth, but we said quarter most of the time, or the right to say quarter, not fourth. The fourth is correct too, but by the way, we said quarter. There is quarter and quarter and quarter and quarter. As Farida said, the part is divided into 4 equal parts. They should be equal. They must be equal. If it's not equal, it's not quarter. So here, the whole pizza divided into how many quarters, guys? I gotta unmute you. You don't make too much noise, okay? Quietly. The whole one half has how many quarters?
The whole one has 4 quarters.
4 quarters, excellent. The whole one has how many quarters? And the whole one was having how many halves? Do you remember?
2.
2 halves, excellent, Adam. 2 halves in the whole one and 4 quarters in the same whole one. Let's see. The whole one. 4 equal parts. Each part is a quarter. Okay. How can I write the quarter on a mathematical way? As we write the half 1/2 or 1 out of 2, what do you think the quarter should be?
4.
There's no one else. Just Adam answering. Wait. There is some noise coming from I don't know who. So let's take another. Mariam, what do you think? How can I write the quarter? I write the half 1 out of 2 or 1/2. What about the quarter? 1 out of what?
1 out of 4.
Excellent, Mariam, very good. Because we take 1 part from 4, so it should be 1/4 or 1 out of 4. That means this is a quarter. This is okay, and this is a happy birthday cake. Should cut it to how many parts? This is half, and this is half, and each half should cut into 2 parts. This means each part from here, quarter, 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 and quarter. This is 1/4, or I can say 1/4. Okay, here is a different one. 2/4 or 2 quarters make what? A half. Excellent. That means when I take 2 quarters, gonna make for me a half? Yes. When you take 2 quarters beside each other, it will make a half. Yes, Yusuf, or not? Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
You see us? Because I can't see you. That if I take the
Yeah,
2
I see
parts, Yusuf, these parts, 2 quarters, it will make me...
It's gonna be half.
Excellent, Yusuf. It's gonna make half. Great. Another one. Where? Here, 3/4 or 3 quarters, but it's not half. When I shade 1, 2, 3, how can I say this fraction? I can say 3/4 or 3 quarters. The previous one was 2 quarters. 2 quarters gonna give me half. And this 3 quarters, but it's not has a specific name. Okay?
Okay.
We want... Okay. And here is...
4 make 1 whole.
Rahma. Here, how many quarters do we have here?
4.
4 quarters. That's gonna be a whole one or 1 whole. The whole pizza, all of them gonna give me the whole one again. I have here one quarter, one quarter, one quarter, 4 quarters or 4/4. So it will gonna give me again the whole one. Color 1/4 of the shape. What do you think, Jasmine? What should I color? How many parts should I color, Jasmine? Yes, one color. And okay, excellent. Color 1/4. So what should I color? How many parts? One part. Yes. Color 3/4 of the shape. We want 3/4 to color. So you should leave how many parts not colored? We should color 3/4. That 1, 2, 3 colored. How many shapes not colored? One only not colored. We want to color 3/4 from here. Same. We should color 3 and leave only 1 not colored. Color 4 of each shape. Here's 1 and here's 1, because here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 4 triangles, and here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 4 triangles. So I think we have finished. Let's unmute all. Do you understand the fractions?
Yeah, I understand.
It's easy.
Yeah.
I understand.
Can you tell me what did we take? We take the half. The half is one part
And
from
we take the
and we
quarter.
take the quarter. The quarter is 1 part from the 4. Okay, we're gonna. This is enough for today, and the next session we take another new lesson. Thank you, guys. I miss you.
Ramadan Kareem.
Goodbye, Miss.
Goodbye, حبايبي.
Ramadan Kareem.
باي. رمضان كريم.
Bye,
كل
miss.
سنة وانتم طيبين. محدش يفطر بقى، ها؟ اوكي. باي باي.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.